Okay, so my Autopilot Jail video has done amazingly well, and I've gotten a lot of comments and people asking me, is it the same on the newest update?
2018.21.9 is the latest one that we have installed.
Correct, and so that is the one with a lot more nags. So we've done a video on that, definitely check it out, I'll put in the iCards above. But we want to see how much sooner Autopilot will stop, and is everything on the screen the same? Because we know that instead of all around the screen, it's now just at the top. So we really want to see what is going to be different. Is it going to throw us in jail as fast, faster, slower? Probably not. But we really want to see that out.
It'll be interesting to see, because we know that the time limit on the nags was before,
right,
and now we know it's gone way down to about 20 to 25 seconds. So it'll be interesting. We will probably see that first nag sooner,
yep,
and it'll be interesting to see if the car totally stops sooner than it did before. And if you've seen the previous videos that we did, you can tell we're right by some entrance to a subdivision.
Yep.
And so it'll be really easy to tell if it's before that or after that.
Yeah, so without further ado, let's get on with the test. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we are at 40, which is the speed limit. Hands off the wheel, on the wheel, but not touching the wheel. And I guess we'll see how long it takes. I definitely don't think we're making it to the subdivision entrance though.
We'll see. Oh man, we're missing that music we had playing last time. Remember that headband?
Maybe I'll insert it.
Yeah. We don't get to appreciate it right now. So far, so good.
Not the most exciting stuff right now.
Yeah.
Wow, we're actually almost further than I would have expected.
Mm-hmm. Okay, here we go.
Okay, so now we got the hold steering wheel on the bottom and the top is flashing.
Just the top, yeah.
Top is flashing and we're not touching it.
We're approaching where it's shut down before.
I wonder if we're gonna have two beeps or one beep this time.
I should.
Okay, so there's first beep.
It should start getting louder. Unfortunately, there's a car behind us.
We actually made it
Further,
it looks like.
Oh, there we go. Oh, that's interesting. There's a car behind you. Interesting that it didn't last as long once it did start.
Yeah.
Because before it seemed like it beeped a lot more and a lot louder, more annoying.
Mm-hmm.
This time it just beeped like 3 times or whatever before it said take over immediately.
We're not doing it, okay? First
Beep.
beep.
Still flashing faster.
Yeah, it's flashing really fast.
Oh, getting louder. Holy cow.
Yeah.
It already started slowing down. Wow.
Okay.
Wow, that was pretty quick actually. I was surprised.
Yeah.
Once it did that.
Okay, so there's first beep.
It should start getting louder. Unfortunately, there's a car behind us.
We actually made it
Further,
it looks like.
Oh, there we go. Oh, that's interesting. There's a car behind you.
Okay, yeah, so recap. We got pretty much just as far as I think we did last time. I'll have to just double check, but I think we started about the same time.
Yep.
And so
I think any difference would have just been a few feet
Yeah.
from when you started turning on autopilot. But I'm surprised because while we've seen more nags in our regular day-to-day driving, when we're actually trying to get the nags, they seem to have the one, and then there was a second one, and then it shut down right away. It didn't give you that longer warning of beeping and getting louder and louder.
Right, but it still took us the same distance before it shut down.
Yeah.
Very weird. I did not expect that.
Yeah. It was almost, I thought we were going to go further because at the end there, it's like it wasn't doing the warning, and then all of a sudden it said, okay, take over immediately.
So I guess the second set of beeps definitely didn't last as long. And then it just stopped, but somehow we made it like the same distance. That's what I don't understand. I wouldn't have expected that.
No.
Definitely comment down below what you guys think, what you expected, and we'll see kind of how it goes in the future. But I mean, it did stop, and now we are in jail. Autopilot Jail, that is.
Can't re-enable it.
I actually am in park right now, so that will re-enable autopilot. That is how you reset it. So you have to go in park and then go back into drive. But you really should never experience that. If you really miss the beeps and everything else, clearly you're not paying attention. So definitely just be paying attention and you'll be fine. But that's basically it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video. Just wanted to do an update on 21.9. As always though, if you're looking for a Tesla, check out our website, teslainventory.com. And if you're looking for a new or inventory Model S or X, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below and at the top of our website. Using it will actually get you free unlimited supercharging. As always though, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Go ahead and click here to subscribe, here for some other videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.